Marley, who's this? Catboy. What colour is Catboy?
Blue Catboy.
Blue. Have you got a blue car to put Catboy in?
Yeah.
Can we have a look at the blue car?
No, mine.
We can't have a look. Here's Catboy. You put...
Oh, my chair.
Oh no, Catboy's car's rolling down the hill and he's trying to save it. Oh no. Oh, Catboy's rolling down the hill. Can you put Catboy in the car or
That's so fast.
It's very fast. Can we have a look? So what colour is this car?
Blue.
Blue. And what colour's Catboy?
Blue Catboy.
Blue Catboy in a blue car. Catboy's going to roll down the hill. Whoa! Catboy's very fast. Okay, next we'll do, what colour's Gecko Boy?
Pink Gecko Boy.
Green Gecko Boy. Is there a green car? Oh no! Catboy ran over Owlette. Oh no! What is going to happen now? Gecko Boy will have to save Owlette. Is there a green car, Marley, that Gecko Boy can go in?
Yeah.
Which is the green? Oh, there's a green seat. There's a green seat in the red car. But what about is there a green car that Gecko Boy can go in? Whoa, did you save the day, Marley? Oh no, is this a green car?
Yes,
it is a green car. Here's a green car. We'll put Gecko Boy in the green car. There we go. There's Gecko Boy, looking very stylish in the green car. Here's the green car, Marley. Is that going to go down?
Yeah.
And what colour is this character? This is Owlette. What colour is she?
Oh!
Marley, what colour is Owlette? Oh no, we've had an accident.
No more.
What colour's Owlette?
More beer, Daddy, more beer.
Yeah, we're still going, we're still rolling. Marley, what colour's Owlette? Have a look at Owlette. What colour?
I'm red.
Red Owlette. Have we got a red car for Owlette to get in?
No.
What about this one? Owlette can get in the red car.
I'm not broken.
Broken. What happened? We can go down the smaller ramp.
Yeah.
See if they can go down the smaller ramp. Oh, we can't go under the bridge though. If we lift it up a bit. There we go. Good job.